Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Instagram account in Android phone. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm showing you easy method step by step, so follow my whole process carefully. First, tap onto profile icon. After that, look at the right corner, tap on three line, settings and privacy, account center, scroll down, personal details, account ownership and control, continue. Just type here to your Instagram password, tap on to continue and select the issue. Now I am select the first option, just need a break, and tap on to continue, and finally click on deactivate account, then successfully deactivate Instagram account. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.